And so here we have another probability word problem. 4 children were born at City Hospital yesterday. Assuming that each child is equally likely to be a boy or a girl, which of the following outcomes are the most likely? So here we are given 4 choices, that all 4 are boys, all 4 are girls, 3 are of one gender and 1 is of the other gender, and all of these outcomes are equally likely. So which of these outcomes is the most likely? Well, this is almost like our flipping coin example at the very first video, so even before the first word problem. Remember how we had that definition and formula video? And one of the examples that we put in there was a fair coin being tossed 3 times. And remember how I made that chart? Well, here we're going to do the same thing. Each child could be a boy or a girl, so I'll write B for boy and G for girl. And there are 4 of them. So I am just going to say that they are looked at in an order, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's suppose that our first one, it can either be a boy or a girl. And then out of these branching off, we have another boy or a girl, or we have another girl and then a boy. A boy, a girl, a boy, a girl, and we just continue adding on to this tree. And remember, since there are 4 children, we have to make another layer, so the 4th layer. So we have BG, BG, and trees are like this are really helpful because it very clearly shows us all of the possible outcomes. And it's really easy for us to analyze each of these outcomes using an organized system like this tree. So we're just finishing up the 4th layer. Now, how many total outcomes are here? All we have to do is count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 total outcomes. And now let's look at what is a possibility that all 4 are boys. Well, here the only time that there were all 4 were boys was the first one right here. And that only happened once. When did all 4 of them were girls? Well, they were all girls only this time where there were 4 G's in a row. So this is also 1/6. But when was it that 3 of them were one gender and 1 was of the other gender? Well, that happened here. That also happened here. And it happened here as well. So we already have at least 3, and we know there's going to be more. But automatically we know that C would be the correct answer, since only one outcome had all 4 boys and one outcome had all 4 girls, but there were multiple that had 3 of one gender and 1 of the other gender. So C is the answer to this problem. Thank you so much for watching 3 Inquisitive Kids, and stay tuned for our final probability word problem.